Hey guys, showing you this dream pairs boys girls foam runner slip-on sneakers. So it's a 3-in-1 walking shoes outdoor, and you can see these two soles. So I will show that how this work, and you can use it as a the lightweight 3-in-1 shoes. So just the protective covering, and you can see there is a inner sole. So you can wear it like this directly, like yes, on the beach or anywhere, like while playing. And you can take this thing out, so it's attachment in the back like this velcro, and you can just take this out, and you can wear this in a home directly, like home or in your patio or the backyard or somewhere. So you can wear this as a separate one, soft one, with the breathable. And this sole, if you put it in here, you can wear it in the beach or anywhere outside. So it becomes waterproof, comfortable, lightweight. So this is a 3-in-1.